What if I told you that you could create a viral TikTok video, a professional product ad, and a multilingual marketing campaign, all from a single sentence? No editing skills, no expensive software, no production team, just you, your idea, and AI that actually gets it. I just discovered something that's about to change the content game forever, and I'm about to show you exactly how it works. Meet Pippit AI, your new AI creative agent. This isn't just another AI tool throwing together random clips. This is like having an entire production studio that thinks, plans, and creates like a human creative director. And the best part? You can try it right now with a 45% discount using code Pippit45OFF. The link is in the description, but stick with me because what I'm about to show you is mind-blowing. Alright, let's start from the very beginning. Head to Pippit.ai. I'm showing you the exact URL on screen right now. When you land on the homepage, you'll see the main sign-up button. Click that, and you have a few options. You can sign up with Google, which is what I recommend for speed, or create a new account with your email. Once you're in, you'll see the main dashboard. Here, you will find several options to make videos, especially product ads and marketing videos. However, today, we will use the marketing video tool because it now comes with agent mode, which makes it more powerful than ever. Okay, this is the prompt box. Here, we have to write what we want to create. Before that, we have to enable agent mode. This is very important. When agent mode is on, Pippit acts as your creative director, making decisions about pacing, music, and viral elements. When it's off, it follows your instructions more literally. Okay, once agent mode is enabled, we have to enter the video idea. For example, I am entering a ready prompt or video idea about a short marketing video for a smart fitness tracker watch featuring two coworkers, Jake and Olivia. I added a detailed scenario so that I can get the best result. More information will give you a more personalized video. After entering the idea, you can add materials to make it a more contextual video. You can add media or any other file links from here. After that, you can upload the media from here. In the end, you can upload a document. I am uploading some product images. Once done, go to the settings option. Here you will find avatar, language, and video length. First, I don't want any avatar in my video, so I am selecting Don't Use Avatar from the avatar settings. Next, in the language settings, set your video language. You can generate videos in more than 30 majorly spoken languages in the world. I am selecting English. Finally, set the video duration. I will give the agent full freedom, so I am selecting any length. Once everything is set, hit the Generate button. Now, the Pippit agent will analyze the prompt and start making the video. You can see the progress by clicking here. It will take some time to generate the video, so I am fast-forwarding the video. And here it is. The video is ready. Let's have a look.
Another busy day at the office, but staying healthy doesn't have to take a back seat. My fitness tracker just reminded me I've been sitting for 2 hours straight. Hey Olivia, want to take a quick wellness walk around the office?
Perfect timing. I need to hit my step goal for today. I love how this autumn season motivates me to build better healthy habits.
Real-time heart rate tracking, customizable faces, and all-day comfort.
Staying healthy at work has never been easier with our smart fitness tracker.
This is just amazing. So, now you can create this kind of amazing product marketing storytelling video with consistent characters and products. The core message is interesting and has the ability to grab the attention of the target audience. The voiceover and visual quality are amazing. Now you can download the video by clicking here and then share it with your audience. If you think there is something that needs to be customized, click here on the edit icon and you will be redirected to the multi-track professional video editing interface. Now you can customize the video as you need. Multi-track editing allows you to fine-tune transitions, animations, effects, and audio to your preference. Once you are done, hit the export button. And here it is. The video is ready. Not only marketing videos, you can create any kind of video using Pippit Agent. Another big benefit is that you can create videos in any language without knowing the language. For example, I have this 3D style video clip in English.
Thank you, Puffy, they shouted.
Now, I want to make a similar kind of video, but in German. So, what do I need to do? After going to the marketing video tool, make sure agent mode is turned on. Now, enter the video context in the prompt box. Once done, I will upload the reference video by clicking here. Once the video clip is uploaded, go to the Settings option. Select the avatar settings and then select German as the video language. Finally, set the video duration. Once everything is set, hit the Generate button and then wait for some time. And here it is. Our video is ready and you can see the result.
Hoch oben am blauen Himmel schwebte eine kleine Wolke ganz allein.
Sei nicht traurig, kleine Wolke, du bist nicht allein.
Die warmen Sonnenstrahlen machten die kleine Wolke wieder fröhlich. Unter ihr entdeckte sie ein wunderschönes Dorf mit bunten Häusern. Dort spielten fröhliche Kinder auf den gepflasterten Straßen.
This is just amazing. So, now you can create any kind of viral videos in any language and any style using Pippit Agent. So, don't forget to try this tool. Before we wrap up, here are some pro tips I've learned. Tip 1. Prompt specificity. The more specific your prompts, the better your results. Instead of, make a product video, try create a 30-second product demonstration showing the key features with upbeat music and a young adult audience focus. Tip 2. Iterative improvement. Don't expect perfection on the first try. Generate, review, refine your prompt, and generate again. Each iteration gets you closer to your vision. Tip 3. Reference library. Save successful prompts and reference materials. Build your own library of what works for your brand and style. Tip 4. Platform testing. Generate the same content optimized for different platforms and A/B test performance. What works on TikTok might not work on LinkedIn. Tip 5. Trend timing. When using viral format remixing, act fast. Trends move quickly, so capitalize on them while they're hot. And that's how you master Pippit from zero to hero. We've covered account setup, basic video creation, advanced features, multi-language content, viral optimization, and pro techniques. Your homework. Create your first video using the process I just showed you. Start simple. Pick one product or idea, write a clear prompt, choose a style, and hit generate. Remember, you can get started with 45% off using code Pippit45OFF at Pippit.ai. That link's in the description. What video are you going to create first? Drop a comment and let me know. And if you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth AI tool breakdowns. Now go turn your ideas into viral content. I'll see you in the next tutorial.